Quack. Calvin noticed he has a curl on his toe. Oh, our ducks do?
Yeah, I thought the male ducks have the curls.
Oh, really? Male ducks. He's a male duck?
Maybe the females. I'm not sure. I forgot.
Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that.
What? That boy?
They have males have a curl on their toe.
I didn't know that either.
I watched a duck TikToker.
Oh, a duck TikToker.
Yeah.
It's good to know.
Nice shade. There's the moon.
I wonder if this water's gotten all the way up there. I'm pretty sure, right?
Yeah, it looks like he eroded it, so.
What do you think?
Yeah, they have different leaves, different kinds.
They have different leaves in the ground. They have different
kinds.
Different kinds.
Different kinds.
Bro, when we get home, there's some big red in that refrigerator for all of us.
Oh no, I might even get one.
No?
No, yeah, I'm not even gonna take. I've been getting really good at this.
You can get one